पयलीं क्वेश्चन जोड बाब लास्ट टायम आमी पळयलां की सिडरन बीचेर जे आहा पळय ते इलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन म्हणून तुजें जें रेस्टॉरंट आसा सोजा लोबो तें ऑलमोस्ट आहा 1932 सो ते इनलिगल म्हणून स्ट्रक्चर तुजो बगर ते मोडपाक येता. वॉट इज द रिजन बिहायंड दॅट? कित्या खातीर लास्ट टायमूय येयले आनी आयज सकाळीं येयले?
See, coming to demolish our structure, there is only one reason, and that is that someone in the department or the ministry or the government has taken a huge amount of money to harass us, and this is only harassment against Goans. That is why today most of the Goans are leaving Goa and moving abroad. Government wants us to create employment. Today we have around 50 boys employed over here. If this harassment continues, I would like to know from the government, would they employ these 50 people? Do they have the capacity? Or will they take huge monies even to sell jobs like they have been doing in different departments? This is my daughter who has been here. Okay, she's home here today because she has holidays. She was so petrified and upset. You can ask her only what she feels about this situation.
My name is Souza Lobo. I am the daughter of Souza Lobo. So today the GCZMA comes here with an unofficial order to demolish my restaurant, which has started in 1932 and which has been founded by my great-grandfather. Someone with that kind of position from the government comes and challenges our authenticity is astonishing. I am heartbroken. My family is in danger. I don't know what to think. We are getting orders, threats. We know they want to buy us out. How much more can we take? I am worried for the safety of my family, my father, my mother, my brothers, and where is my future as a Goan? I'm a daughter who wants to take up her father's business and of course share this enjoyable experience of Goan hospitality. But how can we share Goan hospitality when there will be no Goans anymore? People from the government are taking orders from an outsider, Aurora, who is a resident of Delhi, and they have come to harass us and my family. How can I take it as a child? I am learning the wrong version of business. How is this my future? Harassment? I don't want to stay here anymore.
सकाळच्यान जेन्ना ते येयले तेंच्यांनी कितें सांगलो? वॉट इज द रिजन बिहायंड दॅट वेन दे केम हियर विथ नो प्रॉपर डॉक्युमेंट्स? वेन दे केम हियर द मॉर्निंग टायम तेंच्यांनी कितें सांगलें?
So they keep on coming. This is not the first time. It's been going on for ages. They come here with an unofficial order and they say this part is illegal, that part is illegal. How can it be illegal? We are here from 1932. CRZ was not even founded at that time. How can they say it is illegal when your foundation was not there? My great-grandfather has built this with his own hands. My father has been running this restaurant for the past 30 years. I don't understand this. They don't care for us Goans only.
Behind this, somebody's hand is there, politicians.
There are many politicians involved. Okay, I think they know who
See,
they
it's
are.
difficult for her to name the politicians, and I don't want that for her doing that. We all know who is behind this. But see, for me, I have only one question. Okay, you all don't want Goans in Goa anymore, then say it straight at our face that we don't want you all. We want only Delhi guys who will keep on paying us money for whatever we do, for whatever illegal we do. You all don't want Goans? Fine, we will move to some other place, but don't harass us like this.
जुडबाब जेन्ना ते आतां सकाळीं येयले पळय तो कितें म्हूण तुमकां सांगलो? खंयचो स्ट्रक्चर तुमचो इनलिगल? टोटल सोजा लोबो रेस्टॉरंट इज इनलिगल दे आर सेइंग ओ वॉट?
They are saying part of Souza Lobo is illegal. So I told them, first time also they came for demolition, they had the order which was wrong. Then they did a resurvey. After that they sent us a show cause notice. But they didn't send the inspection report, neither did they send the survey plan. Now this is very important for me to identify which structures they are claiming that are illegal. Okay, and suddenly they come with a demolition order without even serving it to us. When we tell them to produce the demolition order, they're saying, it's unofficial demolition order. What is this unofficial demolition order? Unofficial demolition orders work only and only on money and nothing else.
Part of Souza Lobo means which is the part now? Can you show me?
That they have to show us. For me, the entire Souza Lobo is there since my father's grandfather's time. Now they have to show us on plan which part is illegal, and if I have documents for that, I will show it to them. After that, they can pass an order.
Which authority has came along with CZMP and all?
So CZMP has directed the officials from the the district magistrate's office and the police, along with the Kalangut Talati.
आणि अलॉंग विथ किने JCB वगैरे हाडलेली तेंच्यांनी
JCB हाडली, पुलीस येयले, सगळे हाडले बरोबर या. गेले फावटी भाशेनूच येयले पोत्ते गेले, हे फावटी येयले फायली सोदल्यो आनी पोत्ते गेले. हेंकां कितें जालां मरे, दिल्लीकारांचो गू खावपाची हे येयल्या, रूच येयल्या, तेका लागून ते रावतात. केन्ना तो हागतलो काय म्हणून आनी आपूण गू खातलो.
आता दिस इज द सेकंड टाइम ना. जर परतून येयले जाल्यार वॉट वील बी योर स्टेप अगेन?
हांव मरे कितें जालां सांगता तुका सारकें. सगळे गव्हर्मेंट डिपार्टमेंटांनी पंचायत दवर तूं GCZMA खंयचे डिपार्टमेंट फायली म्हणटात ते मिसींग आहा. तुमकां आतां खबर आहा आसतली SIT केल्या कित्याक कितलींच बाटाशीं कोणाच्या नांवार काडून इकल्या. डॉक्युमेंट फेक घातल्या थिंचोर, कॅडेस्ट्रल प्लॅन फेक घातल्या, हितूंतले आर्कायवांतले डॉक्युमेंट मिसींग जाल्या. नाव वेन दे डोंट हॅव डॉक्युमेंट्स देर and if I put an RTI, I won't get that document because it's already missing. And how it is missing? Because they have taken money from the Delhi guy for it to go missing. So I'm directly charging them that they are taking money from outsiders, misplacing and destroying our documents so that they can take action against us and say that we are illegal.
नमस्कार. आम्ही आज सध्या कलांगूट बिचा कडेन, आनी तुमकां खबर आसतलें कलांगूट बिचार एक नामवंकीत रेस्टॉरंट जे आसा सौजा लोबो. हे जे रेस्टॉरंट आसा ते कमीत कमी 1932च्यान हे रेस्टॉरंट हांगासर कलांगुटान चलता. पूण सिडर एमपीचे जे ऑथॉरिटी आहा ते हांगासर येयलेली आहा आनी तेंच्यांनी सांगलेलें आसा की सोजा लोबो हे जे रेस्टॉरंट आसा ते खंय तरी इनलिगल आसा आनी त्याच कारणाक लागून इनलिगल आसल्या कारणान जे ऑथॉरिटी आहा ते हांगासर डेमोलिशनाक येयलेले लास्ट टायम पासून येयलेली आसा विथआउट एनी प्रूफ विथआउट एनी लिगल पेपर्स तेंच्या कडेन काय ऑर्डर ना तेंच्या कडेन प्रॉपर तेंच्या कडेन डॉक्युमेंट्स ना की ते इनलिगल आहा तरी पूण ते हांगासर डेमोलिशनाक येयलेले त्याच प्रमाणे आयज परत एकदा ते डेमोलिशनाक येयलेले आसा जे सोजा लोबोचे ओनर आहा जे जूड लोबो आहा तेंच्यांनी सांगलें की तांकां तुमी येयल्यात जो खंयचो इनलिगल स्ट्रक्चर आहा तो तेंच्यांनी दाखोवचो पूण तेंच्या कडेन ते दाखोवपाक सारकें तेंच्या कडेन पेपर्स ना की खंयचो स्ट्रक्चर जो आहा पळय तो इनलिगल आहा आनी तो डेमोलिश करचो म्हणून आमी तेंच्या कडल्यान जाणून घेतलें की ते टोटल की कित्या खातीर येयले आनी कितें आहा पळय त्या संदर्भात परत परत जेन्ना ते हांगासर येतात आनी सांगतात की तुमचो स्ट्रक्चर आहा पळय तो इनलिगल स्ट्रक्चर आहा म्हणून पूण तेंच्या कडेन सद्या मेरेन काय प्रॉपर डॉक्युमेंट ना काय पेपर्स ना ऑर्डर ना तेंच्या कडेन तरी पूण ते येतात तेंच्या कडेन जेन्ना येता त्या ऑथॉरिटी आहा तेंच्यांनी आयज येयले सकाळी ते टोटल जेसीबीत घेवन येयलेले आसा डेमोलिश करपा खातीर अशीच अपडेट तुमकां परत परत आमच्या कडसून मेळत रावतली पळयत राव तुमी हांव साई प्रसाद कुबडे गोंयकारपण न्यूज चॅनल.